know what time it is. Two Nation, what's going on? It's your boy, Big Vic, the bearded brother. What's going on? So, welcome back, damn it. So, I follow Josh Ezra on LinkedIn. And I just happened to go to LinkedIn to see what was crack-lacking. New product alert. I'm like, oh, it's dropped. I've been waiting on the guidelinepro successor for quite some time because since the original guidelinepro dropped, a lot of beard tools came on the scene trying to edge their way to the market. Some did good, some did bad. You guys can see them on my channel. The Beard Ninja, aberliteflexshaper tool, veagins beard, execbeard. I've tried a ton of beard tools, and the guidelinepro for the longest didn't have any real competition, but then got swept when the aberliteflexshaper beard tool came in because this thing is freaking huge, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look. It's big beard tool. And so that was my only gripe because I was a lot heavier than I was now. So trying to put the little tool and then do it, and I didn't have, pencils or nothing like that to do all it. No one dropped. It's called the guidelinepro Plus. And it's pretty big. So let's rip this out the package. Got the little knots right there. You know what I'm saying? They got that branded logo, the little guidelinepro guy. You see the eyes in that joint, bro. Look at that, man. Let's get that focus real quick. Yeah, man. So we got a full-on beard tool. Yes. All my life, I just wanted a bigger beard tool. This one looks right, and it fits my entire, and it's still somewhat flexible, not as flexible as the last one, but what they did is it looked like they streamlined the design with less moving parts, probably for cost efficiency. But yeah, man, you still got for people who still have hair, still do your C curve. You know what? Let's go grab the original guidelinepro, put them side to side. Boom! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So as you can see, they added a little cone feature. They took away this little divot, this little notch right here. No, it's a little divot, like you went to a little corner. They took that away, but this, I realized this is where the logo came from. They just kind of redid it. So they got that. They supersized it. And here we are, man. Look at this. Look at this. It's at the same size. And you got more measurement notches or ticks right here on the edge. Let's see if we can get that. You should be able to see that. So you got more of that, man. And I'm feeling it. Like I said, not as flexible, not as easily bendable. But you can see this has multiple moving parts. This can eventually come loose. It hasn't. I purchased this when I first learned about the guidelinepro. I think like literally the first year they dropped these. I'm gonna say 3, maybe 4 years ago. I'll throw the link. I'll throw the video up. I'll throw a link in the description to this. But man, y'all already know. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Y'all already know I'm gonna get lining up. Beard. Look at that. Look at that. The perfect curve, like just one which is an issue, you know, other barbers will have you because you start here, then you gotta move up, and then you could lose. But look, man, look at that. And I'm fat, so bam, let's say I want to come right here to the corner of my lip. Oh, there we go. So you come into the corner of the lip, bam, right there. I can draw the curve in. Boom, boom. And so, yeah, man, that's dope. So let me show you what else came in the box. I ordered a 4-pack of these. These little barber pencils, eyeliner. But I'm using a barber pencil to help draw the line in. That way, you can get the line perfect on each side. So your beard won't be perfectly curved, but on one side it's curved right about here. It's like starts at the lip, but then it curves just a little bit lower, and then comes up, and then you're trying to fix it, and you end up pushing your beard line down. You need these. But this came in for free. Inferno soft brush. Yeah, I didn't add this to my order, so this is actually pretty dope. Damn. For size comparison. Hey guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, peace and blessings. Somebody beating down the block. I say.